Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Good morning, y'all. Well, I got a haircut, as you can see. And, I kind of like it, but what do you guys think? So comment below what you guys think. Good morning, chickens. I'll leave you alone, Scruffy. No chickens in here. I don't think there's any eggs either, so. But, as you can see by the title, well, I don't know if it's going to be the title yet, but probably is. We have something interesting to do today with chickens, so let's go. As you can see right here, I have this little thingamabob that I got as a gift. And we're going to go ahead and give it to the chickens, but you don't just give it to the chickens because they would not eat just the metal. You give it to the chickens with a special cake thingamabob. And I bought a 3-pack of this yesterday at Tractor Supply. And you just open up this little cage thingamabob and put one in. And then the chickens, it takes them a long time to get all of it out and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, y'all, so I got this thing open, the cage. Let's go get one of those cake thingamabobs. And there we go. Wasn't that hard? Come on, chicken. Finally! It took me like 5 minutes to get that chicken in off of camera. There we go. Alright, so as you can see, I just put the little cake in there and make sure the lid is closed. There we go. Put the little cake in the cage, and then chickens have perfect amount of pecking room, so like they can get in there and peck. And honestly, it takes them about, I don't know, about a week to 2 weeks to actually finish it. And I got 2 more over there, so enjoy, chickens. Well, you guys won't believe who's out here with me this morning. I don't know if you could just hear that meow, but look, Frankie's back. And now he's running away. Frankie, come on. Come on, buddy. Oh my goodness. Frankie. Well, okay, Frankie. If you want to go over there, you could go over there. Just make sure nothing gets to the chickens. Even though Scruffy's the farm boss, Frankie's the protector. And, I bet you he's going to run away as soon as I walk over here. But guess who else is technically out here? Come here. Good morning, Kai. You being a protector? Or are you just trying to show off for the camera? Okay. What are you doing, buddy? Okay. You enjoy just sleeping on the porch. Well, I can't really believe this, but it's already fall. And look, there's already still roses blooming. I thought these were like summer or springtime roses. This is also a knockout rose bush. The reason why they call it a knockout rose is because when you touch the thorn, if you get poked by it like once or twice, you will not knock out, but you pass out. So that's why I don't do that, and I recommend you guys don't do it either. One of my chickens is sneezing. I think it's Baker, the white one. Alright, we might have some chicken cold going around. Yep, see? It's Baker. You okay, girl? She's gonna sneeze again. Nope. Alright. What are you guys doing? Okay. Just be yourselves. Alright, Frankie, so I know you're trying to make sure the garden is all protected and stuff, but there's not really much of a garden left, bud. Why don't you go to the chickens over there? Oh gosh, I almost just dropped the camera. Why don't you go to the chickens over there instead of trying to protect the garden that is no longer a garden? He never learns. And you can't even see him now because he's behind those bushes, but there he is. Oh my goodness, Frankie. Alright. Chickens, you girls ready for your scratch? You're waiting, puffy cheeks. There you go. Come on over, Scruffy. There you go. Alright. Enjoy. Alright. So something interesting that I've been doing lately is, as you can see, let me finish cutting this one, is chopping down trees. That one's chopped down too. It's back in the woods. And then I have some logs right here. The reason why, is you guys are probably wondering why, is because I don't know if you heard that bird. I've never heard that bird before. But it's because, can you hear that? Well, we need some firewood, so what I'm doing is chopping down these trees, and you're probably wondering, oh, well, it's easy to chop down trees with a chainsaw. I'm using the axe, so it's a lot harder. But, so I've chopped down 2 trees already, and I'm probably just going to keep chopping down a couple more. And they're perfect firewood, so that's about it. Do your water buckets need a refill? I'll get some water. So, about our land is we have 5 acres of land in Virginia, if you guys are wondering. So we have 5 acres of land here in Virginia. We have a goat pen that we are going to get goats. I know you guys are probably wondering where are the goats. We're going to get them. We've also raised, at one time we had 19 chickens, 18 or 19 chickens. So we've raised a bunch of chickens on the homestead. And that wasn't even an acre. We got a hawk problem. Just flew all the way that way, but there was a bunch of turkey buzzards chasing after this huge hawk, so. Alright. Like I was trying to say, we've raised up to 19 chickens at once here. We have goats. Or we're gonna get goats. And we get all in firewood, so. On just about 2 or 5 acres. 2 acres we raise stuff on. Sorry, excuse me, my allergies are acting up. So we cut our own firewood. We have our own chickens for eggs. Maybe one day meat. I don't know yet. I want to get some turkeys for meat. And they also have a goat pen that we're gonna have goats in, but we gotta get the grass down and everything. We also have a cat protector right over here. You guys see him? There he is. We also have a dog and another cat that I don't really show too much. But, yeah, so there you have it. Frankie, how did you slip through there? You're making the chickens go crazy. I told you to protect the chickens, not bother them. Oh my goodness. He went right through here. Not even like 8 inches. You know what? Frankie, you do what you want to do. I'm going to go inside and get coffee. Frankie. Where'd Kai go? Puppy, where'd you go? Alright. Whatever. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Pumpkin. There you go. Come on, chickens. There's your pumpkin. No? Okay. You chickens enjoy your pumpkin, okay? Well, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Before you leave, please go down there, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video.